external. She was external. And I know, like VMware does have, some companies that they work with where they get coaches from, but a lot of executives at VMware do get executive coaching that actually helps them get to the next level. And they're not internal VMware people. They are actually an external party. So I don't know if they outsource it. They have companies have partnerships with other companies. So maybe they get all their coaches from that company. But I found an external coach that actually coached Anna Pingsuk in the book. And she was fantastic. She worked, and, I used some of my personal money as well to hire her, but that she was extremely effective and helpful because she was literally my shadow at work, and she saw how I was doing and got me that feedback.
Mm-hmm.